Introducing the lineup of Ryobi One Plus Power Scrubbers. With a range of brushes that give your home, garden, outdoor equipment and vehicles a total clean. Say goodbye to all types of dirt and get the deep cleaning results of scrubbing without the effort. There are two Power Scrubber models. The One Plus Compact Power Scrubber for up-close tasks and a One Plus Telescopic model for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. Both have a waterproof motor and battery housing. The compatible Vortex brushes come in two sizes with three types of bristles: soft, medium and hard. They have slots to improve visibility while scrubbing, so you can easily see the dirt disappear. Never miss a spot with the side bristles designed to reach right into corners and edges. Let's put them through their paces and see where they excel. These Power Scrubber brushes have plenty of uses outside the home, and your indoor wet areas will be sparkling in next to no time. And our range of different sizes and bristles means there's a brush for every type of mess. The Power Scrubbers and Vortex brushes make short work of cleaning vehicles with this range of attachments. Remove brake dust from wheel rims, road grime from paintwork, bugs from grills and so much more. Your car will soon look like its original showroom condition, while the foam pads give windows a streak-free clean. You're sure to find scrubbing less of a chore and more of a breeze with Ryobi's range of Power Scrubbers and attachments. Part of the One Plus range of cleaning products. Find them in the cleaning aisle in Bunnings.
Ryobi, a cut above.